API security, protect confidential company data. Businesses increasingly rely on APIs, application programming interfaces, to connect services and enable seamless data flow, and protecting these APIs is critical. With APIs becoming central to data breaches, organizations need robust security measures. In this video, we'll cover what API security involves, recent trends, and the critical steps businesses should take to protect their data. What is API security? According to the 2023 State of API Security Report by SALT Security, API attacks have surged by 400% in late 2022. This alarming statistic highlights how attackers are honing in on APIs as a major vulnerability in business security. API security focuses on tools and practices that prevent malicious attacks on APIs, avoiding data breaches and unauthorized access. API security strategies now go beyond traditional network protection to include advanced solutions like API gateways, OAuth protocols, and zero-trust architectures. In 2023, AI-driven threat detection has become a key player, using machine learning to identify suspicious behavior in real time. The shift-left approach is also gaining traction, embedding security early in the development process to proactively identify vulnerabilities. Why is API security so important? Gartner's prediction that APIs would be a primary cyber attack vector by 2022 has proven accurate. By 2023, over 60% of data breaches involved APIs, with this figure expected to exceed 80% by 2025. Without adequate security, businesses risk exposing sensitive data, violating regulatory requirements, and damaging their reputation. Core requirements for effective API security. To secure APIs and ensure data protection, organizations need a multifaceted approach. 1. Data integrity. Allow access only to authorized users and ensure data accuracy. 2. System protection. Shield backend systems from overload and potential failures. 3. Robust access controls. Implement strict user authentication and role-based permissions. 4. Multi-layered defense. Protect API gateways and underlying systems to avoid unauthorized access. With APIs driving modern business, these protections are essential to avoid vulnerabilities and maintain operational continuity. API security essentials, threat protection, and access control. API security focuses on two main areas. 1. Threat protection protects data and systems from malicious intent. Mechanisms like content validation and traffic management, e.g., rate limiting, help monitor incoming requests and prevent overload. 2. Access control enforces user permissions and limits API access based on roles. Standards like OAuth 2.0 and JSON Web Tokens, JWTs, play a vital role in ensuring only authorized users access sensitive data. These measures establish a strong defense, helping organizations prevent unauthorized access and ensure API integrity. The high cost of neglecting API security? Real-world cases in 2022 underscore the consequences of poor API security. 1. T-Mobile. A vulnerability exposed the personal information of 37 million customers. 2. Toyota. Experienced a prolonged API breach affecting sensitive customer data over 5 years. 3. Optus. One of Australia's largest data breaches occurred due to API vulnerabilities, compromising customer confidentiality. These examples emphasize the importance of rigorous authentication, authorization, and secure configurations for protecting business-critical data. In another case, a major payment service in the U.S. left transaction data accessible due to insecure API settings. Lacking API security mechanisms, millions of user transactions, including personal details, were publicly visible. With proper authentication and authorization, sensitive user data could have remained private, safeguarding user privacy and business reputation. New standards and tools to strengthen API security. As API attacks grow more sophisticated, updated standards and tools offer stronger defenses. 1. OAuth 2.1 simplifies secure API access, eliminating outdated features and strengthening authorization. 2. gRPC protocol an efficient alternative to REST, offering mutual TLS (MTLS) for encrypted API communications, especially in microservices. 3. Zero Trust Architecture. Verifies every user and device before API access, ensuring secure access points. 4. AI-driven threat detection. Uses machine learning to identify and block suspicious API activity in real time. Frameworks like the OWASP API Security Top 10 are also crucial, outlining best practices for addressing common vulnerabilities in API development. Securing your business. Key takeaways for API protection. In a world where APIs are critical to business success, securing them is essential. By adopting advanced tools, using updated security protocols, and implementing strong access controls, organizations can proactively protect their API ecosystems against cyber threats. How SEEBURGER helps SEEBURGER. API management and API integration capabilities enable your IT team to securely implement innovative business models and new initiatives, including full lifecycle management from inception to end of life and everything in between, and manage APIs and support safe integrations between applications, people, and processes.